This is my husband Jacob, and today he will be a 5-year-old boy who uses the p sound for the f sound. I'm going to elicit the f sound in 3 different ways. The first way is shaping by using modification of other sounds. Okay, Jacob, I want you to listen and watch my mouth first, okay? Watch me. Did you see how they were different? Good. Okay, this time, say p. P. Good. And now, before we say p, let's bring our lower lip back to touch our upper teeth. Good. And now open your mouth slightly and blow. Good job. That was a very good sound. All right. Our second method will be phonetic placement. Jacob, do you like cherry flavor or grape flavor better?
Grape flavored.
Okay. I brought a popsicle stick with me today, and it tastes like grape. Are you ready to try it? Okay. I'm going to touch my popsicle stick on your mouth to show you where we're going to touch. Okay? So open your mouth. I want you to touch this part with this part. Good. And now blow. Good. That is a very good sound. Okay. Our last method will be motokinesthetic. Okay, Jacob, I have my glove on today, and I'm going to use it to move your lip into the right spot for our f sound. Okay, are you ready? All right. I'm going to push your lip up, and now blow. Good job. That was a very good sound. And that was 3 different ways to elicit the f sound.